Right, we've got another rubbish day out there, so we're going to do a little bit more pickling. So today we're going to pickle some garlic. So if you live near where I live and you pop up to Hutchinson's Fruit and Veg at Fenham, you'll get a vac-packed bag of large garlic for about £3.60, which are great if you're doing bulk stuff. So I'll pop up there. So I'll tell you what I've got some oregano, I've got some sugar, and I've got some salt. In here I've got some white wine, red wine vinegar and white distilled vinegar, and obviously we've got the garlic. But at the moment I've got my lids and my seals in a pot, and I'm just going to bring that to the boil them for 10 minutes, and then I've got the jars in the oven. So they're at 180 and they're going to be in the oven for about 15 minutes just to make sure they're fully sterilised. From that point, all I'm going to do is bring the vinegar to the boil with the salt, sugar and the oregano. Let it cool a little. We'll put the garlic in the jars and then we'll pour the pickling solution over the top, and then obviously we'll seal it up. It will sit in your fridge in a cold place if you like, or a cold dark place for up to a year. Once you've opened and you've brought the seal, use within 3 months. But if you like garlic, have a crack. Okay, so just keep stirring. You just want to make sure that the salt and the sugar disperses equally. Once it comes to the boil, then we'll just need to turn it off. Then we'll pour the solution over the garlic.